All right, hi. We are here with Ryan from Viking Restoration. Ryan, thanks for joining the call today. And we have a few questions for you. The first question: what was the driving factor in deciding to start up a restoration company?
My biggest driving factor would definitely be I've always wanted to start a business of my own. I knew, I wanted to do something where I wasn't sitting behind a desk all the time, wanted to be out and about doing things. I initially had plans of getting into the plumbing business, but I have shoulder issues, so things changed with that. So I figured, hey, I saw things on the plumbing side that certainly were relatable to the restoration business. So I looked into it and I figured, hey, this is something that I can do. This is something I can be successful at, and this is something I want to do where I'm out and about doing things. So here I am. It's been just getting started in it, but so far so good.
Great. Yeah, not everybody's meant for behind the desk all the time.
No.
Okay, the second question. What would you say would be the biggest takeaway with working with restoration entrepreneurs?
Biggest takeaway with restoration entrepreneur for me has certainly been just the guidance. I'm working with Corey. I work with him every week. He has been able to guide me through step by step exactly what I need. And point me in the right direction for the things that I need to be doing. Coming from not a restoration background, but a construction background that I have, he's able to say, hey, you have this background, you have this experience, but being in the restoration, this is what we got to do. And he's been super, super helpful, pointing me in that direction and introducing me to people and, resources that I need to make my business successful.
Well, good. Glad you're finding that. Well, Ryan, we appreciate your time. We'd also like to mention to all of our YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn viewers that if you have any restoration needs in the Rochester, Minnesota, or any surrounding areas, just give Viking Restoration a call.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You have a great